Hello
Crypto
everyone, welcome
transfers
to
made
Investees.
easy.
This
Learn
video
how
is
to move
very
your
informative, so
USDT
watch
from
this full
OKX
video
to
and subscribe to
Binance
our channel
stress-free.
and comment for my
First,
motivation.
safeguard your
Hello
seed
everyone,
phrase.
welcome
It's
to
your
Investees.
key to
This
your
video is
crypto
very
kingdom.
informative, so watch this full
Mishandling it
video
could
and
cost you.
subscribe to our channel
Stick
and
around to
comment
keep
for
your
my
funds
motivation.
safe during transfers. Now let's dive into the step-by-step process. Open your OKX wallet, select USDT, click Withdraw, and paste your Binance USDT wallet address. Your funds will be on their way in minutes. Want ultra-speed transfers? Stay tuned for the best network settings. And remember, protect your crypto with two-factor authentication and always double-check wallet addresses. Plus, I have a secret hack to avoid transaction fees coming up. If this guide helped, like and share it with others. Subscribe for more pro tips and crypto hacks ready to transfer like a pro? Let's make those crypto moves.